If your Apple TV isn't working properly, resetting it can fix almost any issue. However, this will remove all of your apps, passwords, and other data, so you should only do this as a last resort. To reset your Apple TV, press the menu or back button, depending on which type of remote you have, to go to the home screen. Then scroll down and select Settings. Next, go to System and select Reset. Finally, select Reset or Reset and Update. The regular reset is much faster, and it doesn't require an internet connection. After your Apple TV restarts, you'll need to set it up from scratch. First, choose your language, region, and privacy settings. Then, choose whether to set up your Apple TV with your iPhone or iPad, or to set it up manually. Setting up with your iPhone or iPad is super simple. All you need to do is tap Setup and enter the code that appears on your TV. If you choose to set up manually, you'll need to enter your Wi-Fi password and Apple account info using the remote. To reset your Apple TV remote, press and hold the TV and volume down buttons for 5 seconds. Then, wait about 15 seconds for your remote to disconnect. You should see a notification in the top right corner of your screen. Finally, press any button on your remote to reconnect it. If your remote still isn't working, you can use your iPhone to reset Apple TV. To do this, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and select the remote icon. Once you open the remote, select your Apple TV from the top of the screen. Finally, tap the back button to go to the home screen, and use the navigation arrows to go to Settings, System, Reset. If these steps helped, please leave a like and subscribe for more easy how-to videos.